What's good? What's poppin', y'all? OG Contraband here with a little note about publishing your scene using Visual Studio for Decentraland. Here are the SDK 6 and SDK 7 tools that you add in to Visual Studio Code, and I want to show you something. When you use this button, I'm not going to use this button anymore. Let me get it started so we can talk about it. You know how I thought my land was locked by the DAO, and it seemed like something weird was going on? Well, because I saw certain people were standing in my land for a whole day, but I didn't see them in the main game, so I don't know, where they must have been running it on another server or something. Well, I think I got to the bottom of this, and if nothing else, this will fix. Let's see what I do. Sign in to play. I'm not very good at talking, and did I have to sign? Talking. Let's try that again. I think I got to the bottom of it, and if nothing else, this is like a fix for, oh, I know what's going on. I'm not on Ethereum. I was harvesting some stuff, I think. Yeah, I'm on Polygon. There we go. So let's try it. If nothing else, this is a fix for if you're publishing your scene and you don't see it refreshed. This is probably why. See, it goes first to this interconnected or something, and I'm never going to use this feature again because look at this. Which one is it? Look at that. I don't trust that. I don't trust Killian. That's the guy who's a butt plug salesman. He in Decentraland, he's got his butt plug store. I'm not exaggerating. And he votes no on all the good stuff, and I just don't trust my stuff being on his server. So I'm not going to use this again because I'm afraid, probably they're too dumb to realize even the value of this because they're not even doing their marketing kind of research and stuff like that. Because, you look at Roblox, super power, with 65 million users, look at their most popular scene, and it's just something where you run around and shoot each other in a small scene inside of a bathroom. I mean, this really has those vibes, and I could change out the graphics after winter to where it's like, parents a gun to your scene, and so they're probably too dumb to even realize the value of this scene. But just in case, I'm not publishing like that anymore. Because I don't trust them. I don't trust this being on Killian's personal server. He's probably going to steal all music, all object files, all sounds, and all code. And you can also see, okay, I think we might actually see the scenario right here and now. This is the one you want. That's the one. That's the game. That's the main thing. And so I don't want, from now on, I don't want any of my stuff going to these other things. I'm about to show you how to do that. And just so you know, I just deployed Poopville, which is just those floating turds. So what we're going to do is, let's see if it's there yet. Do 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 do. So it's not delivered yet. So this is the exact scenario I'm talking about, actually. Now I think these other servers, they might eventually catch up, and sometimes I just try running it again. So I'll try it one more time and see if we get an update. But then what I'm going to come and do is deliver my actual snowball game only to the servers, the main game server, and none of those other ones. Because after what I'm seeing with DAO decisions and things like that. Because here's the thing: if they're just using people's trademarks and trying to sell, like, they're selling stuff as if they are, McDonald's or Walt Disney, pick your poison. I mean, they're not going to have any problem disrespecting your copyright and your intellectual property if that's what they're doing. That's my feeling. So I don't trust them. Any of those delegates having access to my code like that, potentially. So this is the exact scenario. And since I'm doing a tutorial, I'll just show you. You want to run this right here. npm run deploy minus, then another minus target space peer.decentraland.org. Now, so luckily we're going to be able to see the exact scenario I was trying to teach you about, because you can see it's not refreshing. And if you know about deploying websites and stuff like that, it's like there is no period where it's building or anything like that. It's just like, and you right click to paste in the terminal. You open that up in the terminal, and there we go. It's going to be a little different this time. And it's only going to go to the main game. It's not going to go into any of that other BS. See, and you don't even get a list of things. And this one, it seems like it works every time. I bet it's going to be already. Farty song. Poops riding up in the air. Hey. There we go. Hey, poop launcher. Oh, the fart song. Hey, poops everywhere. I didn't deploy the the doo-doo space launch right now because even though my neighbors did like hack I don't know if you call it hacking, but messing around with my API and vote against me in the DAO. They're trying to get me to leave this neighborhood. I missed the turd there. Oh, I'm missing every turd. There we go. Come on, let me on. Hey, I'm taking a doo-doo ride. Anyways, so that, even though all that, I won't throw these turds on their land anymore. They're not the half millionaires. Oh yes, I definitely want to upgrade to Poo Poo Pro. All right, so let me get off the land so it stops playing, and then let's just go. Actually, let's click over here and see if this thing 8. So this hasn't updated. I don't know what to do there, What I want is all these to be Poopville, and then the real server to be the snowball fight. So what I'll do is I will get the snowball fight on the main server with the technique we just did, and you'll get to see it again in case you want to write it down or something. So I'll close that. Then let's see. I believe I got. Here we go. Decentraland snowball fight. And this this code, I don't know, compared to my Decentral Turd Slayer, yeah, that's kind of like revision 2 of my code. And there's the command again. I just pushed the up arrow to get the most recently entered command. If you want to write it down, there it is. And so now we'll be publishing the actual snowball scene only to the those servers. So yeah, where I want to get is everything else has the Poopville. And maybe I'll have to do that individually to Killian's probably the main one I don't trust, but I'd rather not have it on most of those in the list. Hopefully I kept that open. Yeah, so maybe I can just like copy, yeah, it looks like I can copy and paste. These are probably fine. That one I don't want. That I probably don't want. And probably that, what I think is going on is this one's supposed to propagate it to all these. So we'll get the snowball fight deployed in the real game. And you saw this thing, man. It's like once it's deployed, the game's there. And thanks to Jay Stickle for telling me about this, because I somehow didn't know about this, and trying to put those little voting against me and stuff in the past. So there we go. That's delivered to the real game. So I guess what I'll do is I'll go back to Poopville. Close this. Then what I'll do is just copy no, we want this. That's one of the ones I want to get rid of. Poopville deployed. Then hey, we'll get rid of his code. Let's see, was there any others? Anything that's Decentraland.org, I'm going to trust it. Anything that's not that, I'm not going to trust it. That's how I'm going to do it. Let's see, did it already deployed, right? Deployed successfully. And if this is stuck like this, Control C. Then we can paste DevOps. I don't know what that is. Shamalama ding dong, do. There we go. So now you know the secret. If you don't see your thing showing up, or you feel like you got something worth stealing, I would recommend just to deploy to the main game, which seems to be the the Decentral.io. Was that the one? I got it. Let me tell you the right thing. Oh, pure.decentraland.org. I don't even see. Well, that seems to be another problem. I don't see like pure.decentraland.org. Let's see. I think I already did that one, but you know what? I'm just going to be doubly sure, even though I'm pretty sure I already did that one. Did I sign and deploy? Deployed successfully. Deployed successfully. This is the main one I don't trust, so make sure to get that one. We don't want student council getting our code. They're bootleggers. They're IP thieves. They're using all the trademarks. Okay, so the last one. Yeah, I'm not going to go to this one because I'm pretty sure if I go to that one, it'll actually deploy on down to all of them. So I'm just making sure we got everything here. Oops. Right click to paste. Shama-lama ding dong all night long. Shama-lama ding dong, yeah. Yeah, with my snowball fight, what I was thinking is... No, I won't tell you because it's so good. I got an idea with this that's so good. Might even be able to make money even in Decentraland. Even in Decentraland, my God. Okay, and that this is the main, I think that might be the main thing, so I'll just keep that as, I won't deploy there. That should get the snowball fight, so let's just go make sure that this is still snowball fight in the real game. That is such a good melody. Oh no. Okay, so maybe I'm giving you bad advice. Well, let's go back and make sure to do space launch. Let's make sure to deploy. Let's see. Okay, pure.decentraland.org. I'm going to copy it out of here too, because I feel like that's probably the main one. So I don't know, I might be giving bad advice here. Maybe it's not going to work the way I was hoping. Well, if nothing else, it's a way to, if you don't see your deployment working, that first one, this script that I showed you, it definitely fixes it like up right away. So, if nothing else, that's the tutorial. Okay. Well, I guess we don't know for sure, but I'm probably gonna just use these kind of scripts in the future where I deploy to certain things instead of deploying to everything. I think, and it seems to work a lot better. And that's the tutorial. Talk to you later.